Alright guys, so long story short, last time you seen we were putting this fucking thing in, but obviously you can see that we're pulling it, and why is that?
Cylinder 2 is a 90% leak, so the rings are kind of fucked.
So yeah, the person you got it from obviously lied to him about it being
his name was Hussein, so shout out to Hussein for blowing my shit up.
Yeah, so pulling it out and rebuilding it. Got some new parts for it.
Got the fucking ISR catch can right here. Shout out to ISR. We had some fucking... Got some range bug. Got a bunch of shit in here.
Alright, so there's one more bolt on the bell housing, and then the motor should come out.
Someone want to donate me a new frame?
What?
Someone want to donate me a new frame? Pinch welds too would be cool. Yep.
Alright, so these dudes almost got this thing out.
Carson's breaking his ankle on the Swayze bar.
Oh, dude, this one's loose.
3 downpipe bolts, and then it should come right out.
Bro, to pull them off before he pulled the fucking motor.
Fucking...
Pull it?
Yeah, wiggle it, and then we're fucking...
Oh, it's a rug, yeah.
Alright guys, so this thing over here, we might pull Cody's hatch in and put that thing together. Yeah, so we came to Cody's car and this thing is fucking flooded. So this thing's pretty nasty.
Water on the floorboard.
Oh yeah, easily. See shit out, dude. Fucking disgust. Come check out, fucking literally gagging. Just cleaning this thing out. And fucking spider nest. There's spider nest right there. Fucking all over this car, and it's just disgusting. Alright guys, let's see if you can see here what I'm seeing. We got the cross member in. Gonna lower it back on the ground. Everything's buttoned up besides drive shaft under there. Alright guys, so Caleb's got the motor on that, trying to get it on the fucking engine stand. Aaron and Cody show up. About to put a motor mount in on that thing, airing the tires up, putting rotors, calipers on, strip the interior obviously because that was disgusting, and probably trans brace maybe, and button more of the wiring harness up, and maybe throw the headlights and shit on. We'll see what goes on. Alright guys, got this thing all taped up so it doesn't leak. It's probably going to be it for this one. Might be a couple clips thrown in here from them rebuilding that thing. But that's all for today's one. Catch us whenever we upload the next one. Peace.